Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear students. As you know, this is class 8th. We were discussing the chapter number 14 of your science textbook, that's friction. So, dear students, we have started this lesson a week before. So, we have discussed so many subtopics in this very lesson. Suppose friction, then we have discussed types of friction, then we have discussed laws of limiting friction. For that, we have performed some activities. Then we have discussed rolling friction, examples of rolling friction. Then we have discussed friction due to liquids, friction due to gases. Now, dear students, yesterday we have discussed benefits of the force of friction. Then it is disadvantages and advantages. Now, today we are going to discuss the ways of reducing friction. So, what are the ways in which we can reduce the friction? As you know, that friction is the force which is opposite to motion, or we can say friction. The opposing force comes into play when two surfaces in contact move related to one another. Okay. Now there are different ways. So we can see ways of reducing friction. Basically, as you know, friction is caused because of the interlocking. As I have already told you, friction is caused due to interlocking pattern of the two surfaces. There is irregularities between the two surfaces. There is irregularities on the surface of the two bodies or two objects. So there takes place an interlocking pattern. Thus, if interlocking irregularities are minimized, the friction will get definitely. If we reduce the number of irregularities, definitely the friction will get reduced. So there are following methods we can take to reduce the friction. Suppose first we can use by the use of lubricants. You can also open your textbook at page number 181 and 182. First is by the use of lubricants. Lubricants हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. As you know, a lubricant is a substance which, when applied between two surfaces in contact, reduce the force of friction. जो हम machines में इस्तेमाल करते हैं या जो vehicles में हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो lubricant हाँ. So it reduces the force of friction. The lubricant separates the two surfaces in such a way that the interlocking or of irregularities are greatly reduced as the space between them are filled with the lubricant. जैसे वो grease इस्तेमाल करते हैं या वो in the form of liquid वो तेल इस्तेमाल करते हैं machines में, vehicles में और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ों में हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो lubricants, उससे हम friction जो है वो कम करते हैं. Number second is by using soap solution. So dear students, soap solutions are slippery in nature. As you know, soaps जो है वो slippery है. आपने ये एक्सपीरियंस डेटी में किया है. जो soap solution होते हैं वो slippery होती है. So they are used in reducing the friction in high speed cutting and grinding machines, so that not only friction is reduced, but the heat produced during cutting or grinding is rapidly taken away by water present in the soap solution. Okay, आपने दिया होगा जब वो लगाते थे. पहले आपने देखा तो वो सिंपल एग्जांपल आपके पास है. वो जो बैंगल्स लगाते थे जो वुमेन्स बैंगल्स लगाते थे, फिर वो निकालने के लिए वो इस्तेमाल करते थे सोप सोल्यूशन. वो ईजिली उनको बाहर निकालते थे. सो ये रिड्यूस फ्रिक्शन करते हैं. सो नंबर थर्ड इज बाय यूजिंग फाइन पाउडर्स. जो टेलकम पाउडर्स जो है वो इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ग्रेफाइट इज ए वेरी सॉफ्ट सॉलिड विच कैन बी ग्राउंड टू ए वेरी फाइन स्टेट. इट इज देन यूज्ड as a lubricant in those parts of the machinery where oil cannot be applied, so it fills the irregularities between the surface and hence reduce friction. Similarly, finely powdered talcum is used as a lubricant जो कैरम बोर्ड में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. For example, we spread it on the कैरम board so as to reduce the friction. वहाँ पे इस्तेमाल करते हैं ये fine powdered talcum powder to reduce the friction. Now number fourth part जो है, it is a part by which we can use to reduce the friction, that is by polishing. हम करते हैं. When the surfaces are highly polished, the irregularities are knocked out. This in turn reduces the friction. Polish जो हम करते हैं उससे friction का होती है simply. Obviously, number fifth जो है by streamlining. ये भी एक point है. As you know, the streamlining body or streamlining shape of a body, it can also reduce the friction. So the air or water offers, as we have already told you, the liquids and these gases. So that is why air and water offers a large friction to the bodies moving in them. However, the surface of such bodies is so designed that friction due to air or water is reduced to a great extent, to a large extent, due to this streamlining body, giving a shape to the body such that they offer the least resistance to the air, and what is called streamlining body. Streamlining body, as I already told you, so ये body की shape है जिससे ये उनकी जो ये फ्रिक्शन है ये रेजिस्ट काम का. ओके, मॉडर्न एयरक्राफ्ट, बोट्स, शिप्स आर स्ट्रीमलाइंड सो एज टू रिड्यूस फ्रिक्शन एज फार एज पॉसिबल. ओके, नाउ नंबर लास्ट वन जो है वो है बाय कन्वर्टिंग स्लाइडिंग फ्रिक्शन इनटू रोलिंग फ्रिक्शन. आपको ऑलरेडी ये व्हेन वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस लेसन एज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दैट स्लाइडिंग फ्रिक्शन जो है वो ज़्यादा होती है एज कम्पेयर टू स्लाइडिंग फ्रिक्शन. लिमिटिंग फ्रिक्शन ज़्यादा होती है एज कम्पेयर टू रोलिंग फ्रिक्शन. तो रोलिंग फ्रिक्शन में हमने देखा है. सो to reduce the friction, we can convert sliding friction or limiting friction into a rolling friction. So it has been found that rolling friction is about 10 times less as compared to sliding friction or limiting friction between the two surfaces. So it is for the same reason many heavy objects such as suitcases are provided with small wheels commonly called rulers. हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं जो सूटकेस में इस्तेमाल करते हैं, बड़े बड़े जो लगेज हमारे पास होता है उसमें हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं to reduce the sliding friction or to reduce the limiting friction. We use these rulers. So rulers से क्या होता है, तो ये this friction can change into rolling friction. The rollers reduce friction and hence suitcase can be moved easily. Okay, so dear students, as you know, in moving bigger machines such as wheels of automobiles, ball bearings are used. Ball bearings are small steel balls which are introduced between the sliding surface of the axle and the car. When the axle rotates, then the metal ball rotates along with it. So this reduces the friction. So these are the pointers. These are the methods through which we can reduce the friction. So dear students, now we have completed this lesson. Today we have completed the lesson. Inshallah tomorrow we will do its book work. Have a nice day. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.